Want to speak real Greek from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at GreekPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Chrissy Papadopoulou. Γεια σε όλους, είμαι η Χρυσή Παπαδοπούλου. Welcome to the Greek whiteboard lessons. In this lesson you learn how to talk about your hobbies in Greek. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First we have ψάρεμα, fishing, ψάρεμα, ψάρεμα, ψάρεμα. Next is basket, basketball, basket, basket, basket. Then we have ταξίδια, traveling, ταξίδια, ταξίδια, ταξίδια. Up next is κολύμβηση, swimming, κολύμβηση, κολύμβηση, κολύμβηση. And last there is μαγειρική, cooking, μαγειρική, μαγειρική, μαγειρική. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the hobby that I'll mention. Find out what the hobby is and see how it's used in the dialogue. Ποιο είναι το hobby σου? What's your hobby? Το hobby μου είναι το ψάρεμα. My hobby is fishing. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. Το hobby μου είναι hobby. My hobby is hobby. Please note that this sentence pattern requires a definite article before the name of the hobby. Now let's look at some other examples. Το hobby μου είναι τα ταξίδια. My hobby is traveling. In Greek, we literally say, my hobby is travels, meaning my hobby is traveling. Since ταξίδια is a neuter noun in plural, it should be accompanied by the definite article ta. Το hobby μου είναι η κολύμβηση. My hobby is swimming. Here, κολύμβηση is a feminine noun. That's why the previous word is a feminine definite article η. Το hobby μου είναι η μαγειρική. My hobby is cooking. Μαγειρική is also a feminine noun. Therefore, it goes with the article η. Do you remember how to say hobby? Hobby. Hobby. And how to say my hobby? Το hobby μου. Το hobby μου. Do you remember how to say my hobby is fishing? Το hobby μου είναι το ψάρεμα. Το hobby μου είναι το ψάρεμα. And how would you say cooking in Greek? Μαγειρική. μαγειρική. How about my hobby is swimming? Το χόμπι μου είναι η κολύμβηση. Το χόμπι μου είναι η κολύμβηση. Do you remember how to say basketball? Basket. Basket. And lastly, how would you say my hobby is traveling? Το χόμπι μου είναι τα ταξίδια. Το χόμπι μου είναι τα ταξίδια. In this lesson, you learned how to talk about your hobbies in Greek. Thanks for watching. I'm Chrissy Papadopoulou and I will see you on GreekPod101.com. Τα λέμε!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.